Today is a very exciting day. We are going to begin our reading workshop. Reading workshop is the time of our day when we will all gather together in the meeting area. This is a special place for us because we will be surrounded by books in our classroom library. Sometimes when we gather together, we will listen to books being read aloud. Other times, we will read together and talk about books. Mostly, we will learn how to become readers who read together and on our own. Each and every day when we gather, we all have important jobs to do. My job is to teach you one new thing each day that will help you grow as readers. And your job is to keep your eyes on me, your ears ready to listen, and your minds ready to think. All of these things will help you listen, share, and read. During workshop, you will have a partner who will sit beside you so you can share ideas. You will turn and talk with him or her. Let's practice how to sit and listen to the teacher and how to listen and share ideas with your partners. Okay, now let's practice. Everyone stand up quietly. Now sit down crossing your legs like this. Then turn on your listening ears. Close your eyes. Glue your hands together. Make a bubble with your mouth. Now, open your eyes slowly looking at your teacher to let the teacher know you are focused and ready. You did it. Now keep practicing until you get it right and your teacher is happy.